Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're going to kick off with a session on research and development essentials for new R&D hires. This is the perfect starting point for anyone new to our team or looking to strengthen their understanding of R&D fundamentals. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key concepts, best practices, and resources to help you succeed in your new role. So, let's get started. Welcome to the R&D department, and I'm glad you're here. Today, I'll give you a brief overview of what R&D is all about and how we operate. We'll start with our mission and vision, which serve as our guiding lights, helping us stay focused on creating innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Next, I'll explain the key roles and responsibilities within the team. Our R&D department is a dynamic mix of scientists, engineers, and project managers all working together to develop new products and improve existing ones. Collaboration and creativity are at the heart of what we do. Finally, I want to set some expectations for you as a new hire. You'll be part of a fast-paced environment that values curiosity and problem-solving. We encourage continuous learning and open communication, so you'll find plenty of opportunities to grow and contribute your ideas. All of these points tie back to our overall goal, to be at the forefront of innovation and deliver value through research and development. So, as we go through today's presentation, keep in mind how each of these aspects plays a role in our success as a team. Let's take a closer look at what we mean by understanding R&D functions. First, there's basic and applied research. Basic research is all about exploring fundamental principles. It's the curiosity-driven work that helps us understand how things work at a core level. Applied research, on the other hand, takes that knowledge and applies it to solve specific problems or develop new products. Both are essential because they form the foundation for innovation. Moving on, we have product and process development. Product development focuses on creating new or improved products that meet customer needs, while process development aims to optimize the manufacturing methods to produce those products efficiently and reliably. Together, they ensure that innovative ideas can be translated into tangible offerings that are both high quality and cost-effective. Next, we have innovation and technology scouting. This involves searching for new technologies, trends, and ideas that could give us a competitive edge. Think of it as a way to stay ahead of the curve by constantly exploring what's out there and identifying opportunities for growth and differentiation. Finally, there's prototyping and testing. Once we have an idea, we build prototypes to bring it to life and test them rigorously. This step is crucial because it allows us to refine our designs, identify potential issues early, and ensure the final product or process performs as intended. Altogether, these functions form a comprehensive approach to research and development, enabling us to turn innovative ideas into real-world solutions that drive our business forward. Now, let's take a closer look at the R&D workflow and methodologies that drive successful research initiatives. First, research planning and road mapping are essential. They help us define clear objectives, set milestones, and create a strategic path forward. This ensures everyone is aligned and aware of the key deliverables along the way. Next, we leverage various methodologies like Agile, Lean, and Stage-Gate models. Each offers its own strengths. Agile promotes flexibility and rapid iteration. Lean focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing value, and Stage-Gate provides structured decision points to manage risks and resources effectively. Cross-functional collaboration is also a cornerstone of effective R&D. It encourages teams from different disciplines, engineering, marketing, manufacturing, to work together seamlessly, fostering innovation and ensuring diverse perspectives are integrated into the development process. Lastly, documentation and reporting are critical. They keep all stakeholders informed, support knowledge transfer, and provide a record of progress and lessons learned. Together, these components create a cohesive and efficient R&D process that aligns with our overall strategic goals. Now, let's take a look at the tools and technologies that powered our project. First, we relied on a variety of software and platforms to manage different aspects of our work, from design to communication. These tools helped us stay organized and efficient throughout the process. Next, we used specialized lab and testing equipment to gather accurate data and ensure the validity of our results. These physical tools were essential for conducting experiments and validating our hypotheses in real-world conditions. For analyzing the data, we employed a range of data analysis and visualization tools. These allowed us to interpret complex data sets, identify trends, and communicate our findings clearly through visual representations. Finally, knowledge management systems played a crucial role in capturing, storing, and sharing information across the team. They ensured everyone had access to the latest data and insights, facilitating collaboration and continuous learning. Overall, these tools and technologies form the backbone of our project, enabling us to work effectively, analyze accurately, and share knowledge seamlessly, which ties directly into our broader goal of delivering innovative and reliable solutions. Now, let's turn our attention to compliance and ethics in research and development, which are absolutely vital to maintaining integrity in our work. First up, intellectual property, or IP. Understanding the basics here is crucial because it helps us protect innovations and ideas, ensuring that we respect others' rights while safeguarding our own breakthroughs. Next, we have research ethics and integrity. This means conducting our work honestly, avoiding misconduct, and ensuring that our findings are trustworthy. Upholding these standards builds credibility and trust with colleagues, stakeholders, and the broader community. Data security and confidentiality are also key components. In R&D, we're often working with sensitive information that must be protected from unauthorized access. Proper data handling not only complies with legal requirements, but also demonstrates our commitment to responsible research. Finally, we need to be aware of regulatory standards and guidelines. These vary across regions and disciplines, but are essential to ensure that our research meets legal and safety requirements. Staying aligned with these standards helps us avoid pitfalls and promotes responsible innovation. Altogether, these elements form the backbone of an ethical approach to R&D, ensuring that our progress is not only innovative, but also responsible and compliant with the broader standards of our industry. Now, let's talk about collaboration and communication, which are absolutely essential in any successful team. First, effective team structures and meetings help us stay organized and ensure everyone is on the same page. It's about creating clear roles and establishing regular check-ins so that information flows smoothly. Next, internal communication is the backbone of our daily operations. When we communicate clearly and openly, we reduce misunderstandings and build a stronger team dynamic. Remember, transparency and active listening go a long way here. Working with other departments is also crucial. It requires us to understand different perspectives and align our goals. Building good relationships and sharing information proactively can really enhance cross-department collaboration. Finally, reporting and presentation skills are key in conveying our ideas and results convincingly. Whether we're sharing progress updates or proposing new initiatives, being able to present data clearly and confidently makes a big difference. All of these elements tie back into our overall goal of fostering a collaborative environment where communication is open, effective, and purposeful. That way, we can work more efficiently and achieve better results together. Let's take a closer look at career growth opportunities within our R&D department. One of the key aspects is continuous learning and development. We really encourage everyone to keep honing their skills, whether that's through training programs, workshops, or even self-directed learning. Staying updated and expanding your expertise is vital in this fast-evolving field. Performance expectations also play a big role here. We believe in setting clear, achievable goals that help you grow professionally while contributing to our team's success. Regular feedback and performance reviews are designed to support your development journey. Another exciting aspect is our innovation recognition programs. We actively celebrate and reward innovative ideas and solutions. This not only motivates creativity, but also highlights the value we place on forward thinking within the organization. And of course, there are numerous opportunities for advancement. Whether you're aiming for a more senior role, leadership position, or specialized expertise, we provide a clear pathway for growth. The message here is that your career in R&D isn't just about today. It's about building a future where your contributions truly make a difference. All right, as we wrap up, let's go over some practical next steps to set you up for success. First, we have the Getting Started section, which is all about helping you hit the ground running. The first week checklist is a handy tool. Think of it as your roadmap for those initial days, covering essential tasks and introductions to ensure a smooth start. Next, I want to highlight the key contacts and resources. Knowing who to reach out to and where to find support is crucial, whether it's your team leads, support staff, or online resources. These connections will be your safety net as you navigate your new environment. Now, moving on to tips for success in R&D innovation can be challenging, but staying curious, collaborating openly, and embracing feedback will make a big difference. Remember, this is a space for growth. Don't be afraid to ask questions and share ideas. Finally, I want to remind you that Q&A and support channels are always available. Whether you have questions now or encounter challenges later, reaching out is encouraged. We're here to support you every step of the way, so don't hesitate to leverage these channels. Overall, this slide ties everything together by emphasizing the importance of proactive engagement and utilizing resources effectively. Your success in R&D depends on staying connected, curious, and proactive. Thanks for your attention, and I look forward to seeing what you'll accomplish.